do-it-yourself doubt with the pleasure of tasting out this tangerine juice. So I don't know if we need to shake it. Familiar with the taste of tangerines, then let's see what the juice tastes like. There, look, it didn't spill a drop. There. Okay, let's give it a whirl. It tastes to me, so far, like oranges. Still tastes like orange juice. Whatever it is, it's really good. And it's authentic. And it comes in a nice bottle. You can grab it and
compare it with this orange juice.
Okay. Do I need another cup? There. Okay. So here we have some California. Let's see where it says. There we are. Bolt House Farms. 100% orange juice. Shake that a little bit. See how we go with this. Okay. Well, there we have that. Here we have that. So you can see too that the orange juice is a little bit lighter in color. There and there. Okay, so it tastes like orange juice. Good orange juice. I really like oranges. I eat them all the time. And let's give our tangerines a little bit more. Well, I suppose. Either one of them, they're both fabulous.
Yeah, but talk about what's
if I was blindfolded, I don't think I could tell which was which. But the tangerine juice is a little bit different. I just can't put my finger on it. I'm used to peeling them and eating them that way, and I prefer oranges. Sometimes in the grocery store, the tangerines are less expensive. That should factor into things. But both items are just fabulous. Just fabulous. This I could probably tell without looking, without knowing what it is, but I'm going to try a little bit more of this just to make sure. So, we need a connoisseur. We need a guest connoisseur to come in here, but this is just terrific. I love this. Up to me. I would drink both bottles right now.
Alright, so this one's like more tart, this one's thicker.
I would have thought that this one tastes more thicker, and I agree that I think this one's, if you would call it tart, that would be more tart than this. But it's close. it's not an easy call.
Well, we'll leave it at that.
So distinguishing between the two and getting them right, I don't know. Those referees in the NFL, they don't always get it right either. But I have nothing bad to say about either one of these items. And in my defense, this is the first time I've ever had tangerine juice. I've had tangerines themselves all my life, and this is just a little bit more of an impact of it. And so I would just as soon keep on having tangerine juice. It's something. Can't say enough about it right now, but you might want to try it. So.